Hello everyone, in this mini tutorial, we will talk about operating specifications of safety emergency operations. Use the drone in a safe way can double the efficiency, otherwise, it may cause danger. Please pay attention to the following points during the operation. Precautions during drone taking off. Make sure the takeoff location is safe. Confirm that there are no people, vehicles or other animals as well as plastic bags, strings, etc. within 6 meters around. The takeoff area should be relatively flat. Do not operate the drone to take off and land in rugged locations. Do not play around during drones unlocking. Precautions during the flight. Do not fly above people, do not show flying skills. Avoid the plastic bags and other floating objects in advance. Always observe the drone status as well as the distance between the drone and the obstacles during the operation. Predict and avoid dangers in advance. Precautions during returning. Ensure that the landing point is safe. Confirm that there are no people, vehicles, animals, etc., and that there are no obstacles on the return route. Safe landing. Make sure that there are no onlookers around, the landing position is flat, and there are no obstacles around. Clean up after finishing the operation. After the operation, clean the spraying or spreading tank with clean water to reduce chemical residue. Clean up the propellers and motor to maintain better power. Emergency operations. When the drone status is abnormal, you can quickly toggle the switch from G to S back and forth, which will cause the drone to hover immediately, and then adjust the flight before continuing the operation. When a drone crashes, and if the propellers do not stop rotating, you can use the remote control to lock the drone to stop them immediately. Approach the drone after the propellers stop rotating. That's all for this tutorial video. Follow Topxgun channel to learn more plant protection skills.